Hey, beautiful people. Crystal here from Elite Hair Care USA and Miss CW. So today I'm doing a full cut customization on one of our Privé Seamless units. This is who we call Maya number 2. Now I wanted to take you behind the scenes and really show you how I customize these units to make them look more natural, more wearable, and of course, more personalized for each individual client. Now this is not just about cutting hair. This is about making a unit look like it actually belongs to you. So the client who ordered this unit, she ordered a 22-inch. She wanted some long layers, but she also wanted to protect as much length as possible. Now, of course, you know, your girl is a professional and I wanted to give her exactly what she wanted. So you guys get to see the entire process. And of course, if you are new to wigs, or even if you're an experienced wig wearer, this is going to help you understand why our seamless units are designed the way they are and how customization really can bring your wigs to life. Now, the request that I got from the client is something that I definitely hear all the time. You want movement, you want shape, but you don't want to lose inches. So what I'm doing is focusing on long layering. I'm creating what you call softness and flow while keeping the overall length. So instead of me going in with my shears, I decided to soften the look and keep it more natural by using a razor cut instead of a blunt shear cut. Now, this is not something that I recommend everybody do. If you're not comfortable with a razor, if you're not comfortable with your shears, I am the go-to person when it comes on to customizing your Privé Seamless unit. By the way, this also helps the unit look less heavy at the bottom and give that more natural throughout while you're still keeping the body and the shape. So what I do every time I'm cutting, whether it be a unit or hair, I'm always checking as I go. I will cut a little and then I'll go back. I'll test the shape. I'll see how the hair falls because this is super important. Cutting a wig is just like I'm cutting a person's hair who's sitting in the chair. While Tara is here holding the tripod of my mannequin, she's allowing me to really work with my client, who is Maya number 2, who's sitting in the chair. So I want you guys to picture Maya as a client who I'm telling to please stop noodle heading me. And when I say noodle heading, meaning she's literally moving her head with me, thinking that she's protecting herself from a haircut, because Maya is not protecting herself, baby. She's still going to get cut. Anyway, after I got done utilizing my razor, as the cosmetologist that I really am, I still had to go in with my shears because I feel that the shears are always going to be the one thing that I know I cannot put down. I am a better shear cutter than I am razor cutter. I feel like a razor sometimes is cheating the process because if you don't learn how to use your shears, are you really a cosmetologist? Are you really doing something here? Okay, I just let you guys into my crazy mind. Anyway, this is why I always say customization changes everything. Even the best units need to be personalized. Face framing, layers, blending. This is what it takes from looking like a wig to actually making it look like hair. And that's another reason why I love our Privé Seamless units, because they come in a way that is not like the old school wig heads where they were just big and bulky and they had no movement. Ours come with a 7x6 closure. They give a very realistic look. You can part them almost anywhere within the 7x6 closure, and it's not going to lock you into a one direction style. So you're able to actually do a middle part, side part, zigzag part. You can even braid the crown of this unit because you have that much lace to work with. Another great thing about our Privé Seamless units is they are already pre-plucked and pre-bleached. And when I say pre-bleached for my new wig wearers, pre-bleached closures are what makes the closure look more like scalp. So I wanted to break that down a little bit because I know so many people get that confused. When you pre-bleach or bleach your closure, it takes that dark look from the root that looks like a knot and makes it look like skin or scalp. Now, when I was done cutting her, I did go through and give her some large, bountiful curls. And then I still wanted to make sure that I tested the look. So I combed through her and she is layered and looking like I just did a brand new haircut on a client who is actually sitting in my chair. Like, come on, baby. Let's clock it. I'm literally sitting here putting my fingers together. I wish you guys could actually see, but you can't. Anyway, you guys, once I got done testing my cut, testing the curl, making sure that everything looked nice and seamless and blended, I like to send my units back to the client already pre-pinned. So no different from a client sitting in my chair saying she has an event to go to in 3 days, tomorrow, or even later today. I did a pin curl on her, and I did what we would call 3 large pin curls to preserve the actual shape and to also help to lock that shape in temporarily so that when she arrives to my client, she actually has a fully finished executed unit and she can definitely put her on. Now, all of our Privé Seamless units do come with the attachments in the box. We throw in some freebies as well as the comb and the lace razor. I put her inside the box with love and care, and then this baby was on her way to the UPS store so that my client could have her within the next few days. Now, I hope you guys got some good information from this video. Please, please, please go and check out our Privé Seamless units over on msmisscrystalwilliams.com. And of course, if you guys like what you saw on my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also thumbs up this video. By the way, you guys, comment down below. Tell me what you guys thought about our Maya 2 unit and the cut. And of course, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.